I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Breakdance. To successfully integrate with Breakdance, select Bid Integration Pro from the Forms Actions setting. Now navigate Breakdance Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Bid Integrations Pro from drop-down. Click the Save button to save the setting. Now navigate Integration Page. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select Action Woodpecker. Give here an API key, so please visit the Woodpecker API key. Prospects. Integrations. API keys. Create a key. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Choose campaigns. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the Woodpecker site and go to Prospects. You can see the data came successfully in the Woodpecker site. Thanks for watching.